Hello, good evening, everybody. We are trusting our own inner being and we are being playful. We are being divinely guided, and Spirit says, stand up for yourself. There has been a little bit of depression and anxiety and worry, but a little event's coming your way that's going to bring you joy and success, and you will be receiving a gift. You slowly but steady getting ahead. You're not stuck anymore, and they want you to know that there's love all around you. Um, Open up your eyes and your heart and see and feel the brightness up ahead of you. They say don't be afraid to speak up for yourself. Reclaim your power of love. You're on a path now, a beginning actually, of a positive, confident you. You knowing your own worth. You've sorted out issues, and you opening up your eyes and your heart to the divine. And they want you to be careful that you must think before you judge people. A sincere wish is going to be granted, and remember, you are protected and guarded as far as your work goes and your family. They want you to watch your words. There is improvements underway already, although there's some delays. Life is speeding up, and your angels and spirit guides are filling you up with love. They want you to work with others to keep the peace in your home. You've said goodbye to the devil. You're not getting held down anymore by jealousy and regrets and things like that. And your miracles are endless. They say your prayers and your dreams are going to become real. You are aligning with the stars. And they say there is still some situation that you need to swim away from. You are being protected from a powerful friend, and you ready to receive unexpected blessings. Pay attention to your finances and keep your peace. Do something nice for yourself. In the world, things are coming to full circle, so take the lead of your own life. Be grateful for where you are at the moment, and trust your higher self, the complete all of you. They say that the magic works through you, and the number card is 4 protection. The divine universe is working through you and protecting you. Its time has come to allow all the doors of opportunity to welcome you with open arms. I love you all very much. Have a lovely evening. Night, night.